So you know when people say comment a keyword and I'll send you this tool. Well, now you never have to do that ever again, because I built a database of free and paid tools you can use for content creation. You come to this page and let me give you an example. For example, you want free tools to generate content, right? And here you see two guides, Canva VO3 and Sora Prompt Guide. You can use the Sora Prompt Guide to create content. Let's say you don't want that, right? You go back to the directory, you say you want automation for TikTok, right? You have syllabi, ManyChat, short, Nualink, easy, right? Maybe you want paid tools for ideation, no tools yet. What about these ones, right? Data, 1 of 10, viral finder, viral stats. Ideation should be free, right? TikTok trend, you go here, you see, get this tool, it's free, you are linked to this tool. Now, I built this for content creations for people who want to blow up their brand on TikTok with organic content, basically, right? So you can use it for free. Now, I'll be adding a lot more resources. As you can see here, we have transitional hooks. You get this tool, here you go, you have all the transitional hooks you would ever want. As you can see, free tool, ideation, yeah, so you sort it out and you find anything you need, literally. Now, I'll be adding more and more. I'll let even the viewers and users add their own tools, their own, resources, because we have a lot, like free automation templates, right? You have right here, as you can see, let it load. Right, so it's not just tools, it's resources as well you can use for free. Organic marketing blueprint, viral marketing strategy, Cinepacks, all of this stuff. So I'll link it down below in the comments, in the description. If you want to use it, just use it. If you have any feedback, please let me know. I'll improve this to make it much more easier to use, much more useful for you guys. So yeah, that's it.